In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import inventory data from Excel files into your system efficiently and effectively. This is a crucial skill for anyone managing inventory because it ensures your data is accurate and up to date, enabling you to make better business decisions. Let's dive right in. First, open the application you're working with and navigate to the main menu. From there, you'll want to click on File. This is typically located in the upper left corner of your screen. Once you've clicked on File, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Utilities. This option is commonly used for managing the behind-the-scenes functions of your software, such as importing and exporting data. With Utilities open, you'll see an Import option. Click on it to proceed. Now, let's focus on importing Excel files. Once you click Import, you'll be prompted to choose the type of file you wish to import. Select Excel files from the list. It's important to ensure your Excel file is prepared correctly before proceeding. Make sure your data is clean and organized, with clear headers that correspond to the fields in your inventory management system. This preparation step cannot be overstated. It will save you a lot of time and prevent errors down the road. With your Excel file ready, you'll proceed to map the fields. Mapping fields is an essential process where you link the columns in your Excel file to the appropriate fields in your database. This ensures that the right data goes into the right place, which is critical for maintaining the integrity of your inventory records. You'll typically see a list of column headers from your Excel file on one side and the corresponding fields in your database on the other. Take your time to carefully match these up. If the system offers any suggestions or automatic mappings, review them. Automated processes can be incredibly handy, but they're not foolproof, so a quick check to verify accuracy is always wise. Don't hesitate to make manual adjustments if necessary. This step ensures that each piece of data lands exactly where it should. After mapping the fields, you've reached the point where you're ready to import your inventory data into the system. Before you hit the final import button, double-check your mappings to avoid any potential errors. Once you are confident that everything is set up correctly, proceed with the import. As the import process runs, watch for any warnings or error messages. These could indicate issues with the data or the mapping. Resolve any issues as they arise to ensure that your data import is successful. Once completed, it's a great practice to verify that everything imported as expected by spot checking your inventory database. By following these steps carefully, you can confidently import your inventory data from Excel files, ensuring that your records are precise and reliable. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.